Hello everyone, if you're looking for an interesting projector with an Android TV operating system and smart features, you should check this product review because this is what I'll be reviewing today. The A1 Android TV projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth from FunFlix. And before I start this review, I want to thank FunFlix for sending me this product to test and to provide the feedback. Although they send me the product, I can assure you that this is an unbiased opinion and that I will not be compensated in any way for this review. This is the box. You can see on the front what the product inside looks like and some of the features which we will have a look at in details in a moment. Once I open the box and remove the foam pad, I am greeted with the actual projector unit. Let's put it on the side and continue. Then there is this black box, I assume with all the necessary hardware inside, and the last item is the AC power cable. The power cable is the UK type in this case, and let's check what's inside the black box. The HDMI cable, the traditional auxiliary splitter, a stylish infrared remote control which needs two AAA batteries which are not included in the pack, and a user manual which is super easy to use and understand how this product works. The projector unit has a nice weight to it. It is made of plastic. At the front we can find the lens with a cap as cover, which is well received. Then next to the lens there is the autofocus, auto keystone, auto obstacle, the auto screen entry camera and the IR sensor. Under these sensors we can find the dual front-facing hi-fi speakers. On the left there is the intake vent with the dust filter, and on the right there is the exhaust vent. At the top there is the power button with red light meaning that it is on standby and blue light meaning that it is turned on. At the back for I/O it has two USB ports, two HDMI ports, one AV port, one headphone jack, a real facing IR sensor, and down here the AC power socket. At the bottom there are four rubber feet, a screw type kickstand, and a mounting hole for ceiling mounting or for mounting on a tripod. This projector is packed with loads of features and technology. On paper it has Android TV, Bluetooth 5.2, dual band Wi-Fi, electronic autofocus, a brightness of 800 lumens, a contrast ratio of 15,000 to 1, and a native resolution of 1080p. However, this unit can scale up to 4K. But let's have a look at this FunFlix A1 projector. Let's turn it on and set it up. I'm using a white wall in the living room. It is very sunny outside, but I pulled the blinds, hopefully we can have a decent view. Once turned on, it does its own screen calibration. Then it asks you to choose the language, plenty to choose from, and finally it asks you the source. I would just leave it as home screen. So this is the home screen. On the left there is the preview window, then next to it is the source. We have a couple of icons on the right which we will go through later, and if we go all the way to the left we have the menu. Apps, network, media and settings. To start off I'll connect it wirelessly to the network, then look at media. This is the internal storage which offers 8GB of storage, not all of them are free. Then there is the all folder where you can find everything that you store, followed by video, audio and image folders where the system automatically sorts by type. Moving on to settings, we have network, so Wi-Fi, then projector settings, and here we have loads of things we can change. To start off, projection method, here you can select how this projector will show the image. At focus there is automatic focusing after boot and movement autofocus which will do those focusing checks at boot. At keystone corrections there are automatic correction after boot and automatic correction after displacement, meaning that it will do the correction even after the projector was moved. Then auto screen alignment and advanced keystone correction which can be done by corners or by sides. The next on settings is time, where you can set the time zone and the date format. I will leave it as day, month, year. You have the option to show the time as 24 hours, which I use. Then there is timing, where you can see screensaver time. This one I turn it off, and sleep timer, usually I turn off this one as well. The next settings is called common, where they are the language, the input method or keyboard, the default source which I was asked at start, the power mode meaning what will happen if I press the power button at the top, and system recovery which is self-explanatory and will do a factory reset. You can also name this projector if you want to. At Bluetooth we can turn it on or off and connect to Bluetooth devices. As I don't have any at the moment, it won't show anything. The last on settings is the system info, where it shows information about this projector. As previously mentioned, it has 8GB of internal storage, of which 3.35GB are taken by the operating system. The FunFlix A1 comes with 1GB of RAM and Android 9.0. Then we can see information regarding the firmware, processor, GPU and network. To test this FunFlix A1 projector, I will use Chromecast via the HDMI port, a pen drive on one USB port and an external HDD on the other USB port. I've got the projector screen just in time for this testing. You can see how it runs all the automatic checks at start. Here are some of the pre-installed apps. I only installed Crunchyroll so far, and I can add it to the main screen as well. This app is installed directly on the projector. It needs an update, but although this projector has a built-in app store, it requires to log in with your Google Play Store account, and only there you can update the app. As a sample, I used this episode of Kaiju number 8. The video quality and the sound are good. The only thing I notice is the lag until it loads all the episode. When it comes to Netflix, I have issues accessing this app direct from the projector. It says that I need to update Google Play services, but I just couldn't do it because there is no update button at all. So I gave up and moved to the next app, YouTube. Video quality is good, audio as well, and there is no lag. And since we are talking about YouTube, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to be notified of other product reviews. Now let's test the external devices, starting with Google Chromecast. I have some apps installed on the Chromecast already. I use it with an Android TV, but doesn't have all the streaming apps that I use, especially Crunchyroll. So this time there is no lag on this app. The video quality is good and the sound quality is spot on. One of my favorite animes is Demon Slayer. Good storyline and amazing animation. You can check it out, maybe you like it. Netflix runs smoothly on the Chromecast, no issues at all. On the USB stick I have some short anime, 20 minutes an episode and a resolution of 720p. It runs smoothly, no lag and it has sound. Now on the HDD the situation is as follows. I can see the icons, I can play the film, but it doesn't have audio. It says audio format not supported. It could be because the size of the film is significantly bigger or that the format is different, but it is in MKV, same as the anime on the USB drive. And this issue is across all the films, so it is not a good idea to play films from an HDD as it will not have audio. The FunFlix A1 has the option to mirror your smartphone screen. It works good with Android devices. For Apple devices, this projector supports AirPlay, but only on a few apps. For example, Voyo, it works well and the video and audio quality is good. There is no lag either. Here is a sample from the Euro 2024 final. When it comes to Crunchyroll, for example, it will not AirPlay from my phone on the projector, although it works on the TV. I was looking through the pre-installed apps and I noticed it has a camera app. I was not expecting this, so I had to try it out. It shows the image in black and white and flipped vertically, similar to in the mirror. It takes photos and videos, though I do not know the use of this camera. The photos are stored in the internal memory, DCIM folder, where you can view or delete them. Now let's jump to the fun part, gaming. I used my Xbox for testing and played FC24 and Assassin's Creed Odyssey. Here is the sample, have a look and let me know in the comment section below if you use or will use the projector for gaming. And if the answer is yes, let me know the game. The best answer will get a shout out in the next review video. The FunFlix A1 Android projector ticks nearly all the boxes. It is made of great materials, have a good weight to it, the sound is good, the video is also good. At this size I would have expected the battery to make it portable, but it does the job very well as it is. You won't go wrong with this projector. At the time of editing this video the price is £169.99 with voucher applied, and use the code listed in the description for an extra discount. You can find the affiliate links to this product also in the description. I hope you enjoyed this video, hit the like button if so and subscribe if you haven't already to be notified of other great product reviews. My name is Alex, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.